What do you guys think about cruciferous vegetables? You know, those vegetables like the cabbages, all the broccoli, kale, what else is that? Cauliflower, all those things. What do you think about? Do you think these are the most healthy vegetables that we should be eating? Or do you think there might be something funny about them? I mean, I know the science says that we should be consuming these on a regular basis, and they are so good for us. For so many issues, they are really, really good for us. But what I've noticed is that if I eat a little bit of like whatever, broccoli, cabbage, doesn't matter, I am okay with that. There is no problem. I'm not bloated. Everything is fine. But if I eat a little bit more than that, I might have some bloating going on, and it's really, really unpleasant if that happens, obviously. What do you guys think? Do you think these vegetables are one of the most healthiest or not so healthy? What do you think? Do you think we should be consuming them in large quantities, or do you think we should be very cautious about eating a lot of them? Let me know in the comments.